Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how you can download and install the PrivacyWall search engine extension to use it on Google Chrome. So let us get started right away. Head over to PrivacyWall.org, the homepage, and what you will need to do, guys, is click on that button in the top right corner of the homepage, and after that you will be redirected to that list of supported device types, like for example Windows Computer, Android, and also browsers that support the PrivacyWall extension like Edge, Safari, Chrome, and Firefox. So click on Chrome if you'd like to install it on Chrome, and after that you'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. So here you may simply click on Add to Chrome here, give Chrome the permission to install the PrivacyWall search engine by clicking on that button here, and after that the PrivacyWall search engine will be added to your list of extensions here in the top right corner. You may manage these extensions, guys, by clicking on that button here and simply disable or enable or pin the PrivacyWall search engine by clicking on one of these buttons here. Like for example, you may remove it from Chrome or pin it. So if you pin it, you will be given the opportunity to access it directly by clicking on that icon here, and that will give you instant access to the PrivacyWall search engine without entering the URL in the address bar here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.